Ngiphinde ngibuye bafowethu cha nje njengomhlali nje bafowethu hayi ngibonile lento yokulosithula bafowethu sithula siqhashaza while sine information ukuthi kwenzakalani kumele ama citizen ale country siwatshela ukuthi kwenzakalani because la we are being fooled lana senziwe ilimi guys mina ngizonibonisa mina ngicrossile country ngisebenza as a truck driver. These are my passports. So into engikhuluma ngami mina ngikhuluma ngento engiyazi. These are my passports. And laba passports lawa sinangikhuluma ukuthi laba ama passports mhlawumbe kuthiwa empty. Crossile border mina. Yabo? Crossile border, yabo? Yabo? Crossile border mina. So ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo. Angizela ukuzokhuluma into engayazi. Yabo ipassport yami. Angikhulumi into engayazi, buka ama stamp. Yabo? Just angazi light liyaqo but nje uyabona. Angifuni uzongibhayizisa uyabona. Ngazongijwayela kabi. Niyabona. So bafethu. Kufanele lento ni understand. Uyabona mina as umuntu ohambile kulama country lawa, mina I've been to 9 countries including Congo Brazzaville. I've been there. Ama politician bafowethu aya benefita from kuma foreigner. Abelungu baya benefita from kuma foreigner. Abelungu ba benefit cheap labor from foreigners. Ayikho lento ukuthi ama foreigner ama hard worker. Mina I'm a truck driver ngisebenza nama foreigner hear from me. Siyasuka nabo la uthothi siye Congo siye Namibia sakuphi umuntu akutshela ukuthi hayi ngikhathele ndoda truck stop elandelayo siyangena siyalala uthi awu wena ngoba kuthiwa we hard work ukhathazwa yini. So ake umzimba lo bafowethu ningayivumi it's a propaganda lento ukuthi foreigners are hard work than us. Into ekhona foreigners they don't have choice. Not ukuthi they are hard workers. Ikhohlweni leyo nto there is nothing like that. Ayikho foreigner ekuthiwa hard worker. Kulama country lawa bafowethu mesiwahamba. Uyazi ukuthi u driver only 5 km. Ufuna amaphepha. Suke kule road block another 5 km uzothola road block ufuna lamaphepha. Yonke la uhamba khona kuthi ungapaka even i-truck. Mawupaka i-truck uyothenga ukudla eshopeni funa wazi ukuthi uhamba nepassport. Musana ukuvumela labantu benenza izilima. I've been there. Yeah. Nanka 3 passport amanye ngiwashiya endlini. Lawe ngiwaphethe la yilawa la esikhwameni sami. So ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo la. Ayikho lento yeni ukuthi kulama African countries you walk freely. There's nothing. I remember eMozambique bengidiliza lapha ePort. Funitshela ukuthi abelungu nama politicians abenefita kanjani kuma foreigner while thina as a citizen sisafara. That's why ngibabona bengenandaba and you are wasting your time. That's why ngithi mina Zulus let's go and fight for KZN. Asikhohlwe ile South Africa enye. These people are benefiting. Let me tell you. One day bengafika eMozambique I think kwakuyi system down or I don't know but kwathiwa sizodiliza the following day. Then nengabi zami sathi hayi no ashiye nama truck siyeni la etown eMozambique. Mina passport yami ke mina even la eSouth Africa. Mina ngisho ngiyeshop mina ngihamba iID ngayiphethe. If iID angiphethe ufuna ngiphathe license. Anginayo nje lento ukuthi ngihamba empty handed. Mangiphuma everywhere la ngiphuma ngiyakhona mina iID yami angishiyi mina. So amajita mesiphuma siyaphuma ematrackini sithola nje lokho kuyimontonyana zakhona kweMozambique sayiqhasha sithi hayi ngoba iPort vela yikho nedown sithi ayicene sibe la down siyothola into ezincane. Guys yathi mayiqeda ukusibeka le monto edrobheni la khona ayisefikile ama medicash. Amaphoyisa khona ke thina besiwabiza ama medicash imali yakhona. Angithi nathi la sinama rand bona imali yabo medicash so thina bese sibiza amaphoyisa akhona the way nje abusana ngakhona bese sibabiza ngama medicash. Hey anobonanga laba medicash ngalapha. So sihle emontweni mina vele zami izinto ezikhona la ePhayetheni kube khona umfowethu uthi passport yakhe ayikho. Eish bambuza yesibali passport. So Isihlangano sicishe sifaneke nesiZulu. Uma umZulu nje isihlangano ungasizwa vele ukuba ignorant. Lokho sokuvuma izinto eziningi zesihlangano ziyafana nezesiZulu. So amashangane kasile mabona ukukhuluma mekhuluma ishangane ebona ukuthi waphendula kahle abaleke ukukhuluma isiPutukezi. Sebezama manje ukusidida. Sebeyabuza manje uthapha amaphepha. Hayi sinabanye bafowethu sikhipha ama passports, sikhipha izinto zethu. Kube khona umjito ongayiphathanga. Yo wathi uyazama ngiyachaza ngikhohliwe la i-passport e-tracking kanje mnganami wakhokha 3800 and that 3800 ubengenawo imali esacontributor sesihlanganisa sisonke samajito ukuthi kukhokhwe le mali ukuze sikhona ukuthi sihambe. Guys, ayikho lento yokuthi walk free kulama country. I've been even ko Zambia. eZambia uthola i-roadblock i-1 kilometer ne-1 kilometer it's roadblock bakufuna all papers. Ningaloni lalela omalema la bedlala ngani la ndonilalela lama politician edlala ngani la. I've been in Zimbabwe. eZimbabwe benza i-roadblock ngama drum. I know. Benza i-roadblock amaphoyisa khona i-roadblock ngama drum amaphoyisa khona lawa amaphoyisa khona lawa seZimbabwe lawa abusanayo nawo nje ayi problem. eZimbabwe ikilometer nekilometer ithe roadblock and kuleyo roadblock kumele uzokhipha ipassport ukhipha amaphepha. But if kwenziwa kule country is wrong. Guys, what's wrong? So let me tell you ukuthi why ama politicians pressure including abelungu pressure lento ama foreigner, because lento ama foreigner ihlukumeza thina as ordinary citizens. Abelungu they benefit those from these foreigners. Politicians they benefit from these foreigners. Ngizokutshela nje mining la shekiyona eZimbabwe kuthiwa ihangwe. Maybe ngingayipronounce wrong. But ihangwe or hangwe or angazi hangwe something like ngilayishile mina lapha. Ihangwe. Ngilayishe more than 20 times. iZimbabwe ngiyazi mina okudlula iKZN. Because mina iKZN ngathi ngiqeda isikole ngeza la eGoli. Mina iKZN angiyazi. KZN nje mina ngazi ukusuka la eGoli ngiye straight ekhaya. Mawungilahla nje eThekwini mina ngizobe ngingasazi ukuthi kumele ngazi ngihambe kanjani. iTheka ngilazi uMaritzburg angiyazi. Angazi ayikho into engiyazi ngeKZN. So lama country lawa ngiwazi okudlula la ngangizalwe khona. But ngisuke ngiya with my papers. Angiyi nje freely. Let me tell you about Hangwe mine. Ngathi mangena eHangwe ngizolayisha eHangwe ngifica omunye umjito osebenza khona I think it's a Shona guy, very good guy, sengimkhohliwe igama la, a very nice guy, Shona guy. Ethi hey Musa, hey uyayibona le mine leyo zolayisha kuyona? Nithi yeah my bro. Athi aba South African anama shares la, ama politicians anama shares la, including workers. Kunama workers ase South Africa kule mine. Ayifuna ngiqamba mangambani oyisearch phela iHangwe mine. Hambani oyisearch. Mina information engayithola khona ngitshela ukuthi le Hangwe mine ama politician anama shares, South African politicians. Ubona beyipressa kangaka. Sibona ngisho uZwelinzima Vavi kulamalanga basibeke la. Sikhinyiwe bafowethu ama politician asikhinyile wonke asibeke la. Kumele ni understand bafowethu ukuthi I'm not saying uZwelinzima Vavi bafowethu unama shares laphana cha. Ngisho the way ngenza example the way ngiyabuka phela ku social media lo ababa uSimela. Bafowethu labantu banama shares kulama company ngaphandle. Amanye amakhampani angaphandle is not even like ukuthi banama shares, ba yawa owner straight. OMTN, Shoprite, wonke amakhampani, DStv, amakhampani ethu alapha ngaphandle. Owner yiwo lama politician. Now tell me as a citizen, ordinary citizen as me, what do you benefit from those companies lawa outside the country? Ikhona imali engena in your pocket ukuthi khona ama country own ama politician. Njoba ubona ama politicians ethu namhlanje esihlukumeza kangaka protecting abantu ababulala izingane zethu over money. Ilabantu ba heartless. Ba protector abantu ababulala izingane zethu because they've got companies outside. Guys, no way. Our politicians are benefiting from these people. So bayasaba ukukhipha labantu because bayazi ukuthi banama companies lapha, including foreigners. Bahlale besiculela, they sing about this thing. Hey, ama companies in South Africa, guys, we benefit nothing from those companies. Let us set the record straight. If in our closure ama companies in South Africa, let it be waxosheni. Tina, as citizens, we benefit nothing from those companies. Maybe we need to set the record straight, because we always told about companies, South African companies that are outside of this country. As a citizens of this country, we benefit nothing from those companies. Nothing, zero. So abantu abakame nje ukusitshela ngalama company lawa asemazweni ohangwe mine lawa, anginamali mina yakuyangenela la kuthi uyibuye ehangwe mine, platinum mine, anginamali mina yakuyangenela mina kuthi uyibuya kuphi. So lento lefuna iunderstand ukuthi abantu ababenefita from kulezinto zama foreigner ama politician, one, because bayi-2 phela abantu ababenefita from foreigners. Okokuqala sengibabalile, one, politicians. Abelungu babenefita from ma foreigner. Abelungu babenefita kanjani na? Cheap labor. You understand? Wena as a citizen, usele wena ongabenefiti kulama foreigner. Wena as a citizen, instead of benefiting from foreigners, foreigners are killing us. Foreigners are killing our future. I'm not saying drugs are being sold by foreigners only. No. Now siyabuka ama politicians wethu afaka ama contain. It's fine mefaka ama politicians wethu, we will deal with them. But sithini leyo ukuthi ama foreigners azodayisa ama drugs, because kuyezwakala if ama drugs adayiswa abantu bethu. We will deal with them. They are traceable. We know where to find them. But i drugs edayiswa in Nigeria, umuntu ozosuka eDurban naye eJoburg singasamazi ukuthi unyamalele washonaphi. I'm not saying it's only foreigners who are selling drugs in this country. No, even ours, they do. But lokho understandable, they are traceable. We know where to find them. But sithini ngalabantu laba bangatraceki abadayisa ama drugs, because ama foreigners adayisa ama drugs la. Ngesifihle mina ngihlala la eJulius. uJulius waqala from GP uye le Malvern, gijima drugs yodwa lapha. Uye Maboneng, ubano ona lama club aseMaboneng ama Nigeria, gijima drugs iphela lapha. Guys, akwesiyekeni lento yokwenziwa ilima, asibenefit from lento lena. But into engayisho thina ukuthi silwele okwethu la nje, ngifuthi nje ngikhuluma ngamaZulu, angifuni ukukhuluma ngabanye abantu, sesithuke kakhulu. Whatever engishoyo mina la ngizokhuluma namaZulu, bantu bakithi asilweleni province yethu KZN. Khohlwa no Gauteng, khohlwa no banibani, asilwele izwe lethu, asibenefit from kulama foreigner. And thina mase kwi foreign countries sisuke samba with papers, asambi nje kuphela. Namhlanje siyathuka masifuna ukubona amaphepha alabantu ngoba abekho traceable, asikhona ukutrace labantu. Mase siyayikhuluma lento siyathuka, sichapha ngazo zonke inhlamba. Zulus are stupid, Zulus get iklayela, Zulus get the tire or whatever le abasithuka ngazo. Asilweleni KZN, it's a propaganda le ukuthi kulama countries uhamba uwalk freely. Nakho siya every time siya nama passport ethu, siyavinjwa ku even uye shop umngani wami akhipha 3800 ngokuthi ukhohlwe ipassport etracking. Today sibona abantu bayasebenza eSouth Africa without passports. Today sibona abantu benza yonke into eSouth Africa without having the right papers. Bese siyatshela ukuthi xenophobic. Ngibuya koZambia, mina I've been to 9 countries like Africa. Ngitshele mina, ngitshele lama politicians asenza ilima because bacabanga ukuthi asitravel as South African. Siya travel, just we travel with the right papers. We know what is going on kulama country. Siyafuna amaphepha, kodwa thina abantu bethu bomthetho bebefuna amaphepha sithola ukuthukeka. Akwesimeni ukulwela ke le country bafowethu bamaZulu. Mina ngikhuluma nabanye abantu ngoba le video if ngiyikhipha la ngithi ngikhuluma neSouth Africa, njengamanje ngizolala ngithukwa la. So anakho ke isikole sibaluleki, isikole this, isikole that, isikole this, isikole that. Because first thing nje, another thing nje futhi asidingi isikole. Assisting iland nje right enough. enough ukuthi ikwazi ukuphilisa whatever etshalile kwiland uzotrader. If anginawo ummbila ngizotrader ngihambisa amadumbu nginika ummbila. We don't need education. Musanje unlonenziwe izilima asidingi yonke lento. Ukunika education ukuthi ngizobe islavery ngizosebenzela wena. I-education ukuthi ngizobe islavery ngisebenzele wena. Namhlanje amaZulu athuka kuthiwa awafundanga. Ukufunda kusho ukuthini? Ukufunda kusho ukuthi ufumele uvuke ngo-8 uyosebenzela omunye umfana. Angali nami yebo ngiyasebenza la. Angisho ukuthi ku right. No. Asambeni bafowethu asibuyeleni ezintweni zakini. Angisho ukuthi laba abafundayo bakwenza wrong, ku wrong cha. But angingashiyo ukuthi thina esingafundanga silosithukwa. Because wena njengofunda ufundela kuyobe islavery senye indoda. Angikhathalele ukuthi udokotela obani bani ngcono mekuthiwa uyafunda. Mina into mangathiwa ngiyafunda, mina fundela agriculture ukuthi ngihambe ngiyilimela mina emhlabeni obaba omkhulu le. Awuzongitshela mina ukuthi udokotela uzongichomela ukuthi ufundile udokotela, ufundela kuyobe islavery senye indoda. Njoba ubona thina amaZulu today kuthiwa sifundanga, sigcwele ematekisini. Ukugcwala etekisini kuna more freedom because it's your own business. Awusebenzele enye indoda. You are not a slaver of anybody. You are owning this thing. You in a peace. How about when ufunde 7 years ube udoctor ufundela ukuvuka ekseni uyosebenzela omunye umfana? Ithini indaba yakho? If mina kuthiwa ngiyavuka today ngiyofunda, ngifuna ngiyofundela ukuthi farming uyenza kanjani farming, inkukhu izenza kanjani, inkomo uzenza kanjani, utshala kanjani. Akuzovuka umuntu odokotela la ezosithetha amaZulu afundanga. Ufundile wena ufundela ube slavery somunye umfana. That's it. U-engineer emayini, we-engineer emayini yabantu baphesheya bama European. Abelungu babenifundisela ukuthi nizosebenzela bona. Uzobona besichome yezulu sabafundanga ukufunda wathi ukuthi yobe slavery somunye umfana. Ama European the day ehamba la eAfrica, that's when nizobona khona ukuthi banishiye with nothing but with papers. Lawo ma certificate is just a paper. And basebenzisa ukuthi nina nizosebenza nizoba ama-slavery wabo. The day South Africa sebeyincele bayidla sebebuyele emuva, niyobona ukuthi lezo certificate abanikezwe lawo maphepha lawo they useless. Nini into kwakumele nifunde it's farming, how to grow umbila, cows, chickens. Yisi certificate isangempela, not certificate sokuthi uya engineer. The day leyo company ihambe yosala nephepha. Asivulekeni la siye ukutshela abantu ukuthi amaZulu afundanga, amaZulu dead ngoba elwela izwe alibona lihamba. Sibulawela abantu badayisa ama drugs, osisi bethu badayisa emgaqweni, badayisa ngemizimba emgaqweni. Asivukeni bantu bakithi, khona okungekho right la. Ngibonge.